In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the zip code associated with your American Express gift card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To manage your zip code and other details linked to your American Express gift card, all you need to do is visit axgiftcard.com. On this page, you can browse through various gift card options. To proceed, tap the three lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu, and select the Check Your Balance option. Once you're on this page, you can input the details of your gift card to manage its billing address and check the balance at any time. If you go back to the menu and access the Help section or the Frequently Asked Questions page, you'll find another useful answer related to this topic. In the FAQ section, under the questions "How do I use my American Express gift card to shop in-store or online?" you'll learn that in the Billing Address section, all you need to do is enter your name and your own address. So, to associate a zip code with your American Express gift card, simply use your own zip code. Even though you can manage the billing address through the Check Balance option, as long as you provide a valid zip code, you'll be able to complete purchases without needing to assign a specific zip code directly to the American Express gift card. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to find and use a zip code with your American Express gift card. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.